Hi students, good morning to all. So let us start the lecture. So yesterday's lecture, we have seen this point equivalent pipe method. Uh, we have seen different formulas and different combinations how to find out the equivalent pipe method, and we have solved one problem based upon this. So there are two cases, pipes in series, and second case is the pipes in parallel. When pipes are in series, then how to convert that different pipe connected in series in an equivalent pipe, and how when the pipes are in parallel, in that case how to convert that. So that formulas we have written in your notebooks. So in yesterday's lecture, you have this formula has been uh, remained there to write down in your notebook. It is about the Hazen-Williams equation. When the value of Hazen-Williams constant is given in the problem and that value is different for different pipes, in that case, what will be the formula? Okay, this formula is applicable when the Hazen-Williams constant is same for all the pipes. Okay, but suppose in the problem, if they have given the pipes of different materials, or the Hazen-Williams constant for the all pipes is different, in that case, we cannot go for this formula. We cannot use this formula, because in this formula, it is assumed that the value of C is constant. Okay, suppose in this particular equation, when the value of C is constant, in that case, we can write here C instead of C1, C2, C3, we can write only C, and that C can be taken out common from all the here denominator. Okay, 1 upon C will be common here, and here also the C is same. So in that case, C will get cancelled and we will get this equation, last equation. Okay, but when the value of C, that is Hazen-Williams constant, is different, in that case how we are going to solve that problem? In that case, we have to use this formula. Okay, so you can note down this formula in the pipes in series case second, Hazen-Williams equation. Okay, is it over? All of you have written this formula? Now let us solve the remaining problems from this equivalent pipe method. We have solved yesterday one problem from this equivalent pipe method. So let us solve the next problem. Write down the problem. A compound pipe system consists of 1800 meter of 0.5 meter. So this 1800 meter is the length of the pipe, and zero point 0.5 meter is the diameter of the pipe. So we can, in given, we can write this thing as a L1 and this thing as a L2. Okay. So this value 1800 meter is nothing but it is L1. So you can, in given, you can write 1800, L1 is equal to 1800 and D1 is equal to 0.5 meter. Okay. So write on this problem and we will solve this one. A compound pipe system consists of 1800 meter of zero point 0.5 meter, 1200 meter of zero point 0.4 meter, and 600 meter of 0.3 meter. New cast iron pipes connected in series. Okay, these are the new cast iron pipes connected in series, and convert the system into, now here we have to convert this system into first equivalent length of 0.4 meter pipe, and second equivalent size of 3600 meter long pipe. Okay, so actually there are two questions in the same problem. This is one, this is one question and this is another question. There are two questions. Is it over writing the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here let us try to draw the diagram for this particular system. So actually it is mentioned here, they are connected in series. So we can connect these three pipes like this. So here we can give the name for this pipe as a pipe 1, pipe 2 and pipe 3, and use the notation L1, D1, L2, D2 and L3, D3. So instead of writing given things here directly, L1 is equal to D1 is equal to, you can write like this also. L1 is equal to 1800 meter, L2 is equal to 1200 meter, right? And then L3 is equal to 600 meter, D1 is equal to 0.5, D2 is equal to 0.4 and D3 is equal to 0.3 meter. Okay, we can note down like this, and we have to convert this system into the equivalent pipe. Now here first question is convert this system, this pipes in series pipe system, in an pipe of equivalent length. Okay, equivalent length मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. इक्विव्हॅलेंट लेंथ ऑफ 0.4 मीटर पाईप कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे, इक्विव्हॅलेंट लेंथ मध्ये of 0.4 meter means this is the size of the pipe. 0.4 meter साईजच्या पाईप मध्ये आपल्याला कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. So here 0.4 is nothing but it will be the diameter of the pipe, of the equivalent pipe, that is 0.4 meter. This is the equivalent size of the pipe or diameter, and we have to convert this system into this size pipe meter pipe diameter pipe, and we need to find out what is the equivalent length of the pipe. Okay, so in this particular first question here we have been asked to find out what is the equivalent length, and in second question it is asked to find what is the equivalent size or diameter DE, that we have to find out in the second question of कोणत्या पाईपची, ज्या पाईपची लांबी ह्या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे, विच इज 3600 मीटर लॉंग. सो हियर LE इज गिवन, okay, 3600 meter, and we need to find out what is DE. Okay, in first question D is given and we need to find out what is LE. Okay, so let us use the Darcy-Weisbach equation, that is Dupit's equation, to find out the problem here, to solve this problem. Okay, now write down the formula first. What is Dupit's equation? L upon D raised to 5, or here notation you can write LE and DE, it doesn't matter. LE upon D raised to 5 is equal to L1 upon D1 raised to 5 plus L2 upon D2 raised to 5 plus L3 upon D3 raised to 5, right? Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here what we have to do, put these values. So LE upon D raised to 5, DE raised to 5 as it is, And here, instead of L1, L2, L3 and D1, D2, D3, we have to put these values 1800 meter divided by 0.5 raised to 5 plus 1200 meter divided by 0.4 raised to 5 plus 600 meter divided by 0.3 raised to 5. Okay. Now we have to solve for this. Find out the addition. या सगळ्यांची addition find out करा. So you will get here something. Do the calculation and tell me what is the value you are getting here. LE upon D raised to 5 is equal to. Now for both the problems, this value will be same because we are not changing the pipes. Okay, हे pipe system जे आहेत हे तिन्ही पाईपची साईज आणि लेंथ ही सेम असणार आहे. जे इनिशियल आहे तेच आपण सेकंड साठी पण वापरणार आहोत. So whatever the calculations you are doing here, you have to do this calculation only once. Okay, तर दुसऱ्या प्रॉब्लेमसाठी परत सेपरेट कॅल्क्युलेशन करायची गरज नाहीये. जे पहिल्या प्रॉब्लेमसाठी आपण या ठिकाणी हे कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहोत तीच व्हॅल्यू जे या ठिकाणी येणार आहे तीच व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सेकंड प्रॉब्लेमसाठी पण वापरता येईल. So you can save your time in examination. Otherwise, if you go on doing calculation, it will take more time. Now tell me what is the value you are getting there. LE upon
42170.08.
42170.01. 0.08. Okay, so this value we got. It is nothing but it is the ratio of this length and diameter raised to 5. Okay, now here, now let us solve the first case. पहिला प्रॉब्लेम आपण या ठिकाणी आता सोडूया. You can write here as a 1. पहिल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय दिले आपल्याला? In first case, what is given? Diameter is given and we have to find out what is the equivalent length. So put that LE as it is, and instead of DE we can write here 0.4 raised to 5 is equal to 42170.01.08. Now take this 0.4 raised to 5 on this right hand side and multiply it, and you will get the value of LE. Tell me the value.
4318.21.
4318.
4318.21
meter. Okay, so this is the equivalent length for the first case. जर आपण या ठिकाणी या सिस्टीमच्या ऐवजी 0.4 मीटरचा जर आपण पाईप वापरला 0.4 मीटर डायमीटरचा, तर त्या ठिकाणी इक्विव्हॅलेंट लेंथ किती असेल पाईपची? इट विल बी 4318.21 मीटर. ओके, नाउ सिमिलरली सॉल्व फॉर द सेकंड केस बी. आता बी साठी परत सेम ही कंडिशन आपण वापरणार आहेत कारण पाईपची सिस्टीम आपण बदलली नाही. फॉर द सेम पाईप सिस्टीम, instead of the diameter they have given the length and they have asked we have been asked to find what is the diameter. जर एवढी लेंथ आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल तर किती डायमीटरचा पाईप लागेल तो आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. सो हिअर पुट दॅट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ लेंथ इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस एलईच्या आपण त्या ठिकाणी काय करूया, आता या ठिकाणी 3600 ह्या व्हॅल्यू आपण या ठिकाणी टाकून देऊ. 3600 डिवाइडेड बाय DE raised to 5 is equal to 42170.01.08. Now take this DE raised to 5 on this RHS and that value 42,000. No, it is not 42,000. It is 4,21,701. 4,21,701.08 on the LHS. So we will get D raised to 5 is equal to, the calculation kara, you will get something, and then you will get the equation in this format. So varti baga, D raised to 5 is equal to something. Okay, something you will get value. Now take this power on this side, it will become 1 by 5. You will get the answer D is equal to, or instead of that we can say like this, divide the power by 5. So Here 5 by 5 it will become 1, and here power was 1 by 5 it will become like this. So either way you can consider these things. Now tell me what is the equivalent diameter for this second problem.
0.85.
0.335.
385 meter. 385.
385. Okay, 385 meter. So let us check whether our answers are correct or not. Okay. Here, okay, तुम्ही उत्तर लिहून घेतले, ती उत्तर मला परत रिपीट सांगा. Or let me check in the chat box. येस, चॅट बॉक्समध्ये पण उत्तर सेम उत्तर दिलेले आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला ते ज्यावेळेस मी आता हे इरेज करेन त्यावेळेस हे आन्सर पण निघून जातील याच्यावरचे, राईट. त्यामुळे चॅटबॉक्समध्ये उत्तर आहे त्यात काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. आय विल क्लिअर ऑल दिस थिंग्स हिअर so that you can see the answers here. So our answers are correct one. 4318.21 is the equivalent length for the first problem, and second problem equivalent diameter is 0.3857 or point correct. So both answers are correct. So everyone have understood how to solve this problem for the equivalent length, equivalent diameter. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you can see in the next problem, the somewhat more complex problem is there, and we have to find out what is the equivalent diameter. Find the equivalent diameter of 900 meter long equivalent pipe. याची लेंथ दिली, equivalent pipe ची length दिलेली आहे, and we need to find out what is the diameter of the pipe by using Hazen-Williams constant 100. Okay, in second formula we have to use case. Replace the series parallel system as shown in figure. आता ही पॅरल सिस्टीम आहे आणि याच्यावर आपल्याला एक सिंगल पाईप वापरायचा आहे ज्याची लेंथ दिली आहे त्यांनी 900 मीटर लॉंग. ओके, असा पाईप आपल्याला या ठिकाणी कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे ही सिस्टीम पूर्ण त्याच्यामध्ये, आणि ज्याची लेंथ एवढी असेल मग त्याची आपल्याला डायमीटर फाइंड आउट करायची. ओके, हाऊ मच विल बी द डायमीटर ऑफ द पाईप, that we need to find out in this particular problem. Okay, so write down this problem first. Find the diameter of 900 meter have written the problem and draw this diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here how to solve this problem. Now in this particular problem, the Hazen-Williams constant for the different pipe is different. Okay, it is not constant, it is 120 here, then 130 here, then 100 here, then here 80 is there. So different values of Hazen-Williams constants are there. So you can refer that formula. Okay, just before a few minutes I asked you to write down that formula. You can see there in the pipes in series त्याच्यामध्ये केसमध्ये we have written Darcy-Weisbach equation. Okay, that is Dupuit's equation, L upon d raised to 5 equal to L1 upon d1 raised to 5. Similarly, for the pipes in parallel, not pipes in series, for the Hazen-Williams equation, we have written their equation when the value of C is not constant. Okay, in that case, we have written one formula there. That's formula we have to use. First formula. Okay, pipes in series मध्ये Hazen-Williams जे आपण इक्वेशन लिहिले त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला जो फॉर्म्युला आहे, that formula we have to use here for solving the this series connections. Okay, now here how to proceed to solve this particular problem. Now here what we have to do, first of all, these are the three pipes, 1, 2 and 3. These three pipes are in series, right? एक pipes कसे आहेत, series मध्ये. So we will convert this whole system into categories or two types, two ways. This is one series connection or series system, and this is another series system, 1 and 2. Okay, So we'll find out, first of all, we will find what is the equivalent pipe for this particular सिस्टीम. या 3 पाईपसाठी आपण एक इक्विव्हॅलंट पाईप अगोदर सगळ्यात अगोदर फाइंड आउट करायचा. And then second case or second step will be to find equivalent pipe for this particular system, pipe system. Okay, या दोन series pipe साठी एक equivalent pipe find out करायचा. Then this system, it will get converted into the the system, parallel pipe system like this. Okay, ही अशी सिस्टीम कन्वर्ट होईल. या तिन्ही पाईपच्या ऐवजी आपण एकच पाईप या ठिकाणी असेल, यू कॅन कॉल इट एज अ LE1, and खाली असेल दुसरा एक इक्विव्हॅलंट पाईप, यू कॅन कॉल इट एज अ LE2. ओके, याची डायमीटर असेल DE1, याची डायमीटर असेल DE2. नाव दिस टू पाईप्स आर इन पॅरल कनेक्शन. आणि आता काय करायचं मग आपल्याला, वी हॅव टू यूज दॅट फॉर्म्युला फॉर द पॅरल पाईप्स. पॅरल पाईपचे पण आपण त्या ठिकाणी दोन फॉर्म्युले लिहून घेतले, डार्सी-विल्सन इक्वेशन आणि हॅझन-विल्यम इक्वेशन. आउट ऑफ दॅट टू, हॅझन-विल्यम इक्वेशनचा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे, that formula we have to use to solve this parallel system, and then you will get one equivalent pipe. Okay, having length 900 meter, 900 meter पर्यंत आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी पाईप भेटेल आणि त्याची डायमीटर आपल्याला भेटून जाईल. ओके, so this is the procedure to solve this problem. So first of all, write down their given things. Given काय दिले ते आधी लिहून घ्या. Given is C, equivalent pipes चा constant आपल्याला दिलेला आहे त्यांनी, हॅझन-विल्यम constant. C is equal to 100, and then LE is equal to 900. ह्या डायमीटर ह्या लेंथचा पाईप आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी तयार करायचं आहे आणि आपल्याला फाइंड आउट काय करायचं आहे, DE we need to find out here. So write down there step 1. What will be the step 1? By using Hess-Williams equation for series pipes. Step 1. By using Hess-Williams equation for series pipe, you can write down this equation there. What equation you can write here? LE1 divided by DE1 is equal to L1 upon. Now here notation अगोदर तुम्ही या ठिकाणी डिसाइड करा. या पाईपला नाव द्या. दिस इज आवर पाईप 1. नाव दिलं म्हणजे नोटेशन वापरायला तुम्हाला सोपं जाईल. पाईप 2, दिस पाईप 3. आता या ठिकाणी ह्याला 4 म्हटलं, इथं 5 म्हटलेलं आहे. So depending upon you can decide whether which position is the 4th and which is the 5. Okay, ह्याला 4 म्हणा, ह्याला 5 म्हणा, किंवा you can make it as a 4-1 and this is a 5. It doesn't matter तुम्ही नोटेशन कसं देताय. इकडून तुम्ही 1 2 3 4 चालू केले तरी चालेल, अँटी क्लॉकवाईज 1 2 then 3 like this. Okay, so for timing let us keep this notation as it is here. Now we can write down here lengths of this pipe. Already you have written there. Okay, आता या ठिकाणी काय, L1 upon D1 raised to 5 plus L2 upon D2 raised to 5 plus L3 upon D3 raised to 5. Okay, so this equation first of all we have to note down there. Okay, so write down there in your notebook this equation first, and then we have to put that values. Now here, see, 1 minute. Sorry that mistake. By mistake, I have told you that formula, Dupit's equation. Okay, but in the problem, it has been given that we have to go for the Hess-Williams constant, Hess-Williams equation we have to use. Okay, they have given the Hess-Williams constant, so we have to go for this formula. Whatever the formula I have discussed 2 minutes back, LE upon. So this formula we have written. Where is the current pipe? Yes, here. This formula. Okay, in the initial at the starting of this lecture, I have told you to write down this formula. This formula we are going to use there. L upon C raised to 1.852, D raised to 4.87 equal to L1 upon C1 raised to 1.852, D1 raised to 4.87. So this formula we have to use there. Now notation may be different there because there are number of connections there. Yes, here. After writing this formula, equivalent pipeची लेंथ किती पाहिजे आपल्याला 900. So here we can take here 900 as it is value 900 only for both the pipes. Okay, खालच्या सिरीज साठी पण या ठिकाणी इक्विव्हॅलेंट लेंथ 900 घ्यायची आहे आणि वरचा जो आपला 3 पाईपचा सिरीज आहे त्यासाठी पण 900 या ठिकाणी लेंथ घ्यायची आहे. Put that values of length L1, L2, L3, then D1, D2, D3, C1, C2, C3, and solve for equivalent diameter. Okay. After solving, you will get the equivalent diameter as DE1 is equal to, या ठिकाणी नोटेशन 1 वापरतोय आपण कारण वरती जसं आहे तसं खाली पण आपल्याला या ठिकाणी इक्विव्हॅलेंट पाईप फाइंड आउट करायचं. So at that time there should not be a same unit, same notation. So here we will use the DE2 notation and here DE1 notation we can use. Okay. After getting your answers, put your answers in the chat box so that I will come to know that you have understood the problem or you are not lagging behind. Do it fast.